You know that everybody today is talking about digital transformation and nobody knows the answer? Well, the answer is already there. It's the blank collar. A blank collar worker is exactly the worker that you need to be able to succeed in digital transformation.
Because what is digital transformation?
If you ask 100 people what is digital transformation, they will give you 100 different answers. One can say it's a website, one says it's an app, one says it's a cloud. It's actually all together. Digital transformation is part mindset and part technology. If you can combine them together, you have the blank collar. A blank collar worker doesn't think in departments. He doesn't even think in silos. So what the blank collar does within a company is to break those silos, to be able to bring departments together, not just through technology, but even more important, through mindset. So what do you think? Are you a blank collar?